It's Tuesday, October 13th, 2020, about 3:54 in the afternoon. What I'm doing is making the second parabolic reflector, inlet reflector, to replace the this one. Well, this one's going in the mask. This is the light one, and need another one for the helmet. So instead of just making it a simple flat mirror, I made it parabolic in order to increase the efficiency of the UV light hitting the hitting the germs from all directions. This one obviously was a lot more complicated to make. It's 7075 aluminum. I still have to paint all the parts that are supposed to be black, the whole back or top or front, whatever you call it. I guess it's the front, because this side is inside. This is what the hold on a second. This is what the profile of that looks like. I decided to draw it up in Photoshop just to make sure I'm not machining this and slicing it off at one of these points. Let me show you the new Chamber of Doom here. It is complete. All the parts are done. It is supposed to be a lot lighter. Well, it is a lot lighter than the original, especially the original with the copper heatsink in it. It has a plastic top light baffle instead of aluminum. Yeah, it's difficult to do this while being a cameraman at the same time. Hold on. Inside mirrored, outside black. There you go. Obviously, since it's not aluminum, I had to make special aluminum reflector shell for the inside. So this actually has more pieces than the original Chamber of Doom. Just fits on like right there. And there you go. Nice. Make sure it's centered properly. This actually aligns where the contacts are going to end up, so has to be pretty centered. I'm probably going to have to add, well, at least a pointer. Oh, you see, look at that. I've goofed up already. It's not lined up. I think I'll add a notch inside the grooves this goes into, and that way it won't be possible to install it improperly. There we go. Now the problem that's come up is that I believe the boost converter in here is, well, not dead, but injured. So it no longer works with the internal battery. Watch this, when I turn it on, you get a green light as if there was no attached chamber of doom. But it still works just fine, it seems, although it gets very hot off the belt clip. Oh, it just died. The magic smoke is released. It has escaped. Damn it. Oh well. I was kind of expecting that. So the thing that remains to be done is to change the plug and cord to contacts on this. Yeah, now my camera tripod thingy isn't working. Damn it. See, the high power unit still has cord and plug. You know what? I think I'll just leave that for now, just for now anyway, and work on. Yeah, I gotta make another retainer clip, so I think that's what I'll work on today. After I paint this.